Hello my friends, welcome to another video today. My name is Ngozi Atiti. So as you can see on your screen, I used cauliflower to make fufu, especially for my friends that like to swallow and you still want to keep your good health going without compromising it. So this video is for you. If you're interested, keep watching. So I just got me a very big, healthy cauliflower, as you can see on your screen, and I cut it into sizable chunks. So what I did was to put it in my pot and added just little water to steam it. Then after steaming, I'm going to show you the next process. Now enjoy. And just for you to understand, you might want to ask, why cauliflower? Cauliflower is a vegetable that is very high nutrient dense. It has also the quality of anti-inflammatory effects. It also helps to fight different kinds of diseases and cancer. And hey, the most important there, it helps to give you a good gut health. You and I know that if your gut is very dirty, that is the genesis of so many kinds of disease that will start affecting and attacking you. So here I brought it out after steaming it for some minutes. When it is steamed, you see that the color will change a little bit. It's kind of, cauliflower has a white color, but kind of a dirty white. But when it is steamed, it kind of tends towards having that kind of milky color. Okay, so what I did was to put it into my food processor, as you can see me doing. It is very hot, so that's why I'm using something to put it into my food processor. So anyway, just do you and be you. So as I was saying, cauliflower also has anti-aging properties. So here, in order, because you know that you and I know that cauliflower is vegetable, and in order to make it into fufu form, so what I did was to add half cup of oatmeal. So I blended everything together. Now if you have your oatmeal in form of flour, fine, you can add it here, but mine was raw oatmeal, as you can see, just Quaker oat. Okay, and I added it and blended everything together, and voila, that served as the thickener. As you can see, I'm already scooping out my ready to eat fufu, and I wrapped it. Ta-da! And that is it. So just go get your favorite soup and do justice to this very healthy swallow. Now I have a second method. I've done this video before, and again I am repeating. That is all your choice. So the remaining half of the steamed cauliflower, I now added 3 tablespoonfuls of psyllium husk. So if you can get your hands on psyllium husk, and yeah, it also is a very good thickener. And I process everything together, and that is it. As you can see on your screen, cauliflower is very, very healthy. Do you know that cauliflower also has a detox booster? Yes, it helps to detox your system. Like I said before, it will give you a very good gut health, and a healthy gut health is a healthy body. It's also very, very rich in fiber, like cauliflower, very, very rich in fiber, beg your pardon. It also promotes healthy weight loss, because do you know why? It has a very low percentage of calorie, and you all know that losing weight is all about calorie deficit. And I just went ahead to enjoy my cauliflower fufu. Okay, so if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Bye bye.